Good morning, traders. How are you? This is Ben with Vessel Futures Trading. We're back in the market. I know that you guys demanded a bit more of the market overview. The last couple of days, we are giving some knowledge and inputs and wisdom from our experience. We publish it on the online, and I appreciate all the comments and all the likes and very appreciated. You guys liked it. Let's go back into the market. Today we're going to try to analyze the market on the Nasdaq contract. I want to say good morning to my Discord community, to all the new traders that joined the server. And as I mentioned in the previous video, this week as well, we're keeping the live trading signals in our Discord completely free, completely open, just to help the community through this volatile market. Of course, you can see the pop-ups over here on the left screen. Alerts keep coming on, and you can see it in the Discord as well. So tag along, don't trade by yourself, trade with the community. We keep on growing. It's beautiful to see. Of course, we'll show it rapidly, quickly, and we can see over here the Discord. This is the live community, is alive, and new traders has been join every day. Here's the live trading signals, where you can see basically the live signals being popped every time that reaches a certain point, either a buy point or a sell point. And of course, you can also tap along to the chart over here by clicking this link and see our full setup. It's all for you available. It's a very helpful tool to trade when you are either new in the game or you want to shop your strategy. Of course, as a disclaimer, this is not substitutional for financial advice. You should always consult with your financial advisor. We have the Trading Buddies channel. We can introduce yourself to the community and maybe find a trader in your area that you can discuss about trading as well. It's always better to trade with a community. Let's jump back to the market. Let's see how the market behaves today. So, of course, those of you who were participating in the market overview this morning, congratulations for capping $930 in a candle. Of course, all the trade we are published is in a way of a just recommendation. You should always calculate your risk and take a position according to your risk management. As I mentioned many times before, a trader is a risk manager. You should always risk as little as possible. And again, if we're talking about a day trading, it should always be mainly 1 to 2. For every $1 you put in risk, you will get a $2 back. So we're looking at the Nasdaq contract. We see the Nasdaq basically breaking all-time high and now reach a peak point when it's have to decide either it's going to continue to rally or not. The market opened up in a very big rally. So obviously our favorite position of the day is going to be long. We're going to go to the 4-hour interval, and we see by the 4 hours interval in this section, I'm going to mark this section. On this section right here, we can see how the market basically moves from a major demand right here, major demand, through a major supply. We always say when which market is reaching out from major area, is going to try to achieve to get to the next major area. So that being said, we already see how the price basically now reached the major supply, drops and continue to surge down towards the 4-hour demand. What we anticipate to see is either one of the two scenarios: the market basically drop into the demand, make a correction and keep rallying up. Of course, that's going to be the favorite position of the day. We're going to look for the long position, or maybe it's going to land over here and then correct itself going up. So we know that we can see by this huge volume candle that the buyers are still very strong in the picture, but it doesn't reflect within the result. So we have to make sure that the result is basically matched to the the effort is basically matched into the result. And we're gonna go now to the 15 minutes interval to see where we can take this possible position. With the help of the day and night profile. The night profile is being represented in the yellowish green, yellowish red color, and the night profile is basically represented right here at the basically bluish color. And we see basically all in this section where the market was basically handled. We saw the market right here in this section. I'm gonna mark it for you guys, just one sec. In this section, we see how the market basically behaves within the night profile. It's been traded in the previous day right here. In the previous day, in the previous day range. Means that we were looking on this previous day, we see this night that basically is accumulate energy towards a bigger move. A bigger move can be either a long surging up or going downwards, and we see the market profile now is being built. It was still, we did not pass 1030, we're still with the upcoming 1 hour initial balance range, so we understand the market where it's supposed to or can be reached within the day. And we see right now that we have a fenced area, low value and high value area. We want to make sure that the market is being formed before we get into a trade. So one possible position for the day will be the following. If you're day trading, we're basically taking this move from the high value area, which is parallel to the major supply, going downwards to the low value area and going up, or maybe going to this demand area over here and going up, or to the next demand area over here and going upwards. So we're gonna look for the long position. This is gonna be the favorite position of the day. Of course, as I mentioned before, it's all a matter of recommendation. It's not substitution for financial advice. You should always consult with your financial advisor. Of course, within the Discord, we're gonna analyze this position towards the day. Within the day, know how we're to get to the right direction and where we're getting with our position and how to read the market correctly. If you are new to the trading space, of course, join the WAP. The WAP channel have our full course, the Elite Master course. They used to be sold for $750, now being offered for 3 days completely free. If you want to learn and gain some skills, you have 3 days to experiment. The course, get yourself a knowledge, acquire knowledge, and get yourself a tool that's going to lead you to financial freedom. As those of you who knows me within the communities, I'm not throwing the financial freedom award in such a light way. So of course, is going to give you knowledge and tools to dominate the market. Go for it, experience it. I'm going to put the links in the bio as always and in the description box. It's offered for you completely free for 3 days. There's no cash up front, there's no money up front, no cards need to be implemented, just pure knowledge. Get yourself the knowledge you need today. Of course, I'm gonna put the links in the bio and the description for the Discord for you guys to enjoy this upcoming weeks, still the live trading channel, and get experience how to trade with the community. Always available in this channel. I want to wish you successful trading today. Do not overtrade, taking slow. If you already make your gain today, go enjoy the day, go enjoy the fruit of your labor. And as always, I'm gonna see you in the next market overview. Thank you for watching.